Hello all, myself Ganesh. Today we'll discuss about license environment, Splunk license environment. Today we'll discuss about license, what is the license and how to use a license and what is the license environment. We will see in detail about license environment, that is module 3, that is module 3. Wait 5 more minutes. Okay, this is license environment. What is the license? Okay, every product have a license and under terms and conditions. While installing the anything happens in the scenarios, real time scenarios or real time applications. If any application we need to install, we can accept the terms and conditions. You accept the terms and condition. In this accept the terms and condition, inside license environment is there. In the license environment, I will show you on the sample example. I have one VMware tool is there. In the VMware tool also license is there. Settings, tab, go to help, say enter license key. License key is there. Okay, enter license key, then it will get permanent license. Otherwise, it will get 30 days or 60 days license period. Like this, everywhere license is important. Without a license, we cannot go anywhere. Okay, please keep it in mind. This is very important. There are in Splunk license. Splunk license consists of first one, enterprise free license. Enterprise free license, 60 days free. This software will be download through business email ID. Business email ID. Another one is free license. After 60 days, after 60 days of enterprise license environment, it will switch automatically through free license. If you have not purchased if you have not purchased a license, it will get automatically, it will get free license if select free licensed environment. You will have limited functionalities. There is no user authentication and roles mapped for the user in the Splunk environment. In the Splunk, after this forwarder license environment, I will show you the sample example how to change the license. Localhost 8000 is the user and username is Ganesh. Password we cannot disclose to anybody. And here go to the settings, click licensing. Here licensing, say server is acting standard alone license server, select this designation Splunk manager license server. This is Splunk license manager server. In this we can use indexer local manager server and indexer remote to local server, remote local to remote L to R, and choose and design different Splunk instance and point local to remote indexer server. This will happen. So here change license group. This is, see, as I shown in the real time scenarios, this is enterprise license. I will show here. See enterprise free license, enterprise free license and a free license and a free license, and another one is forward license environment and a forward license environment. Okay, if you have select another one is fourth one, enterprise license. This will get after you purchase the license from the industries or corporate training institutes, etc. We will get license in these organizations. This is the main scenarios. See what is this? Enterprise license. This is include download trial version, switch to another license, you can return to the trial, you must install enterprise license or switch to Splunk free. This is the free license. use this group when you're running Splunk free. There is no authentication, role management, and a 500 MB data daily indexing value. What is index? Index is there. C programs, C program files, and there is one Splunk directory in the Splunk where and the lib Splunk. This is index tried indexer, and this is also indexer. Indexer consists of DB, cold DB, and a weather DB, and all the things DBs are available. In upcoming classes, we will upload the file into the DB and forward and receive the file. We will see in upcoming classes. This is forwarder license. Configure Splunk as a forwarder. Once you get a forwarder, you can get automatically receiver. I will show you in the sample example. After this, add license. You will get a file, or you can use XML file directly, or you can use copy paste, or you can use copy paste, copy paste. Okay, and use usage report, and this is the today's usage report. Okay, and we will select here all auto generated pool download trial. We will get how much GBs we are using, how much quota you are used in the in the quota. See in the scenarios and the previous 30 days. We will see in the graph October 30.488. This is stack size. Okay, this is the stack. This is data, and this is average and peak data volumes. This is indexer license and license. This is current license expiry date and time December 29, 2024, and license daily volume is 500 MB, and quota and debug. Can you go to the all license details and creation of time? Say it will get what are the features is there in this Splunk. Acceleration and advanced search commands, advanced XML and alerting, alert the incident and all the things, and authentication and deploy server and all the things, and a guest pass and schedule the environments and all the things. And maximum violation is 5 times violation. Status is valid. Stack name is download trial. Window period is 30 window period. This is the futures. Okay, Splunk forwarder, authentication and deployment server and forward data and receiver. This is the hash. Say and Splunk free. Splunk free. This is the futures. Return to the overview. This is the main thing in the real-time scenarios. After that, we have license master and slave. Once create a master and automatically configure in the slave. We can use master and slave configuration in the AWS environment. SHA means such header 500 GB, and indexer also 500 GB. Suppose we have three servers have 1000 GB data. Three servers have 50 GB data. We will divide it into below format and 500, 500, 1000 and 50 GB in a DS1 distributor search. What is the distributor search? I will show you where it will contain. This is the architecture of the Splunk. This is the Splunk architecture in the Splunk. This is the distributed search, and search distributed search means advanced search of the normal search. You can give advanced search option. And Splunk CLI, we are using Splunk web interface. Okay, and scheduling and alerting and reporting and knowledge and search, distributed search, deployment server, and routing and cloning and load balancing, and user permissions and roles and create here, and any monitor files, any network ports and telnet and netstat, all the ports we are using here. Okay, these are the license types of license. Already we see in the license, see, change the license. These are the license types. We are in detail here explaining in detail. See, pre-license, limited versions and limited functionalities. Okay, but indexed and volume is 500 GB, 500 MB or less per day, and such as against all indexes. Okay, enterprise Splunk license, and it will all real-time scenarios and graphs, data streaming, live streaming and indexing, everything, users and everything add, and dev test beta license and forward. In the forward included Splunk data license, enterprise license. Okay, how to big a Splunk license do I need? 7-step process to determine Splunk license. This is data type first one is prioritize and install a pre-licensed version of the Splunk like this. This is the pre-license until 60 days. Pre-license, I will show you where we get license. See, in the license we can get 60 days is license period. This is creation of the time, and this is end of the time, 60 days period. Same thing I mentioned here. Take highest action in and ingesting, start adding the server and the devising and MFA and all the things. And once you get, we can add the server and we can review on how much cost we can use. This is the what about Splunk free license. This is the main important points in the free license environment. See, this is the 5 free important points. Free license give limited access and Splunk enterprise features. Free license standard alone and single instant use only installation. Free license doesn't expires. Free license allow index 500 MB only, but enterprise license 500 GB per day. If you exceed, will receive license violation warning. If you more than 500 GB we can use, you will get a violation of the warning, and a free license will prevent searching and all the things. Free license only 500 MB and 30 days Windows period only. Okay. Same thing same thing I have written here. Only 30 days Windows period. 2 times within 30 days period. It will useful forensic review on the large important data. and three license warning in rolling 30 days Windows period. If happen free license continue and all the disabled such functionalities, all disabled such functionality means this is settings and this is distributed such this is hide, this also disabled after 60 days. These two settings will be disabled and this also disabled and this also disabled after 60 days. These four settings will be disabled after 60 days. No, once enterprise free license is expired, we switch automatically free license. Once a free license is switched, there is no user creation, there is no table, data tables, there is no authentication is required. Same thing I explained here. And this is the what should switching to free license in the configuration output configuration and third party application TCP format doesn't work. See, with license TCP and every protocol must should be work in enterprise license. Free license doesn't work anything limited functionalities. See, in the free license these are not, they no longer work. Free license, okay, anyone connecting instance will automatically logged on as admin. You will anyone connecting instance like this login no longer see in the screen. See, this is how to I switch Splunk free license. Go to settings and licensing, change the license group and free license and save. Same thing I did here. See, licensing and yeah, change the license. You will get any license. You can free license and use save. You can use save. Okay, and add license. Add license or use copy paste here. Copy paste your license. I will simply search Splunk Enterprise License. Okay, bad request. Same thing. So we'll get license in You can search internet, you will get license. Okay, like this is the license environment. This is the one of the licensed environment and all the things. Okay, next topic we will see in the data and all the things. Okay, thank you for watching this. We can log out. Okay, I will close the session. Thank you for watching this. Please share and subscribe the channel to your friends and family members.